Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Spy. Today it's a true story of how I turned down selling SPCE, Virgin Galactic, at $900. Yes, you read it right, $900. I could have sold Virgin Galactic at what would have been the equivalent of $900 per share as per today's price. Instead, I held on, and today I am sitting at 99% losses. Not a typo, 99% losses. So if you think this is a bad investment, just wait. Let's rewind to 2020. The world was in lockdown. I had some cash, and then there was the stock, Virgin Galactic, a commercial space travel company backed by none other than Richard Branson. I mean, space tourism, it sounded like the future. Internet was buzzing. Wall Street bets was all over it. People were talking about test flights, moon missions, Mars colonization. Maybe during Corona times, being in Mars didn't feel like a bad idea. The hype was real and I wanted in. So I bought in. I think it was around $10 to $15 a share, pre-reverse split time. That was my entry point. I didn't go all in, but enough to make it hurt later. Fast forward to June 1st, 2021. Branson rode to space on a Virgin Galactic flight and the stock skyrocketed. The price surged to what would have been equivalent of $900 a share as per current rates. It was of 3x on my portfolio. What did I do? Did I sell? Did I take profits? Did I even trim? No, I did nothing. I did what every legendary diamond hands would do. I held because I believed. I thought it was going to the moon. But I couldn't bask in the glory for long as Branson announced a stock dilution, diluting my profits. But I thought it had still more promise than ever, and I waited and waited. Then reality kicked in. The flights got delayed. Branson cashed out some of his shares. Hype cooled, and slowly, painfully, SPCE started falling to the ground. Then there were more delays, more dilution, followed by the reverse splits, yes, plural, 5 for 1 and 20 for 1. And today, that same SPCE stock that was worth $900 is now only worth a few dollars. And my position down over 99%, which is not even worth selling, not even worth looking at. So what did I learn out of this? Honestly, I learned a lot. Number one, do not fall in love with a stock. I was emotionally invested in Virgin Galactic. I loved the idea more than I respected the numbers. Number two, take profits. If a stock goes up 2x, you don't need to be the diamond hands. You need to click on that sell button. Number three, hype dies, but fundamentals matters. Virgin Galactic had a dream, but no revenue. That's a big red flag when I look back to it. Number four, don't ignore those red flags. When a founder sells the share or a company keeps delaying its project, that's usually a sign, definitely not a coincidence. So why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this not to shame myself, although I probably deserve it, but to hopefully save someone else from making the same mistakes that I did. If you're holding a hyped stock and you're up big, maybe consider taking some chips off the table. Not everything is going to be the next Tesla. Please don't be the next idiot who didn't sell Virgin Galactic for $900. I am already that. So, if you found this video helpful, painful, or just want to roast me in the comments, I would say go for it. Like, subscribe, and I'll keep sharing the wins and the losses. Thanks a lot for watching.